are going to do checkpoint 3 of large numbers. Question number 1 is compare by putting the sign greater than, smaller than or equal to sign. Now A part is given to you 4,26,512. You have to compare it with 7,36,340. Which is greater? You can see here it is ones group, it is thousand, it is lakhs. Here also ones, thousands and lakhs. But in lakh group, 4 is smaller than 7. So which is greater? 7. So 7,36,340 is greater than 4,26,512. Now B part. Again it is ones group, thousand and lakhs. It is also ones, thousands and lakhs. But in lakhs it is 58, it is also 58, it is 24,000 and it is 26,000. So which is greater, 24 or 26? 26. So 58,26,433 is greater than 58,24,733. Now moving to next question, ascending order. You have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. What is meaning of ascending order? Moving from smallest to greatest. छोटे से बड़ा. Now you can see it is given to you 23,78,315. It means it is given in lakhs. It is also given in ones, thousand and lakhs. It is ones, thousand and lakhs, ones, thousand and lakhs. But in lakhs, it is 23 lakh, it is 4 lakh, it is 1 lakh and it is 3 lakh. Which is smaller? 23, 4, 1 or 3? I think 1 is smaller. So you will write 1,49,708. After writing 1 lakh, what is left? 23 lakh, 4 lakh or 3 lakh? Which is smaller? Yes, 3 lakh. 3 lakh, 21,746. Now after writing 3 lakh, what is left? 23 lakh or 4 lakh? Which is smaller? 4 lakh. So you will write 4 lakh, 71,685. And last is 23 lakh. Last is 23 lakh 78,315. Children, moving to the question number 3 of checkpoint 3. Question number 3 is you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Meaning of descending is from greatest to smallest. Now what will be the greatest of all these digits? How you will come to know? This is ones group, this is thousand group. This is ones, this is thousand. This is ones, thousand and lakhs. Ones, thousand and lakhs. Ones, thousand and lakhs. अब lakhs वाले ग्रुप में सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? It is 2 lakh, it is 5 lakh, it is 4 lakh. Which is greater? 5 lakh. So you will write 5 lakh 53,481. After 5 lakh, which is smaller than this? It is 4 lakh 2,325. After 4 lakh, it is 2 lakh 74,128. Now moving to the thousands group, 10,000 and it is 16,000. 16,000 is greater, 16,940 and finally 10,031. Yes? Now moving to next question. You have been given some digits. इन digits का use करके आपने smallest और greatest number बनाना है. Children, what greatest number बनाने के लिए you have to arrange these digits in descending order. सबसे बड़ा digit इसमें से क्या है? It is 9, then 6, then 3, then 2, then 0. So the greatest number is 96320, 96,320. आप इससे और भी जितने मर्जी नंबर्स बना सकते हो, बट द ग्रेटेस्ट आपको यही मिलेगा. ग्रेटेस्ट विल बी 96,320. Now smallest number. Now children, as you know, smallest among all these digits is 0. अगर आप 0, 2, 3, 6, 9 लिखते हो तो you are getting 0 की बिल्कुल आगे. अगर सबसे आगे 0 लिखा होता है तो उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. So it will be 2369, which will be wrong. We have to use 0 also. So the smallest number will be starting from 20369. 20,369. Yes. Now moving to next question. Last question of this checkpoint is from the greatest 6-digit number using these digits by repeating 8 2 times. आपको बोला हुआ है इससे greatest 6-digit number लिखना है and you have to repeat 8 2 times. So what is the greatest number here? Greatest digit among all these 8. But आपको 8 को कितने टाइम्स रिपीट करना है? 2 टाइम्स. So 8, 8. After 8, which is the smallest? 7. Then 6. Then 5, 2. So this is the greatest 6-digit number. 8,87,650.